Bunny and I made the executive decision to spend another night in this dirt lot here.
The sun is scalding my eyeballs.
For $10 a night, it's perfect. It's been so much fun. Okay, so I heard Bunny start screaming, oh no. I thought they were trash cans. They're just barrels.
Y'all come back now. Bye.
Woo! Hi. Do you want to go see if your Auntie Bunny's awake? You want to go see if she's awake? Come on.
The sun is scalding my eyeballs.
Oh no.
Literally.
Oh no. You're awake.
It's so bright. It's reflecting off your car directly into my van.
Oh, my bad.
It's like one step that way. I can see.
Morning!
Good morning.
Oops. Good morning, friends, from Tombstone, Arizona. Last night we slept at this giant dirt lot. I think it's like a dry camping RV spot area. And in case you missed the last video, it was snowing in southern Arizona. It stopped snowing, but it was still really cold. And according to Bunny over here, wherever she is, there she is.
I woke up at 3 a.m., tapped my phone, and it was 28 degrees.
That sounds very cold.
It was pretty cold, but I was cozy. Were you cozy?
I was pretty cozy.
So yeah, I think that's not the coldest I've ever camped in. So I think way easy.
1994 champions. That's the only part I know. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. This is a trail ride?
I'm assuming it's some form of that.
I just looked and I was like, there are people.
Well, good morning, Tombstone. Good morning, Tombstone. Of course, it's coming down the hill. Very cool.
Oh, it's dripping water. No. Okay, I did not see that coming.
Never did I think yesterday, whenever we were picking up this cider, that we would be in Tombstone after a snowstorm, a rainstorm, a frozen door, and 28 degrees. But here we are.
It's so stiff. Unstiff it. Oh! You didn't see that, did you? Ah! Oh, water. Got it. Ta-da! Okay, so Bunny and I made the executive decision to spend another night in this dirt lot here because we're gonna go explore the town of Tombstone, and honestly most of the action is right up at the top of this hill. And it's like a perfectly good place to camp. It's safe, it's really all you need, it's level-ish ground, it's close to the action. And then tomorrow morning we'll leave out first thing to go into our next adventure, but for now, gotta pay for another night and then we can go exploring. I guess every day they have, or at least today, they have gunfights at the OK Corral. Unfortunately, pets are not allowed, so I cannot do it because I have Tyson with me, but this is kind of cool. This is so cool. I'm having the best time wandering around. I can't believe I've never been here before. Okay, so we've wandered down most of the street, checking out all these different saloons. Fun. It's been so much fun since there's so many saloons here and we haven't eaten lunch yet. It's about lunchtime.
Definitely lunchtime. It's 12:30. Your baby's cute.
Thank you.
Tyson's been a little spicy, but not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. He did bark a little bit at the big horses, but to be fair,
freaked him out.
yeah, they freak me out too, though, to be honest.
It's just horses.
I mean, they're really big.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. Anywho, so we're gonna figure out where we're gonna go eat. Okay, so here's the thing. Tombstone apparently is not the most dog friendly. We've passed a lot of stores with signs that are like no pets allowed. So what we're gonna do is go back to our camp spot if we can find it, so I can put Tyson in the car and then we can go explore and maybe catch a show or something. And plus, one of the restaurants that I was interested in looking at, it said definitely no pets allowed. So we'll be right back.
It's okay. Tyson, you're fine.
This is really neat. We found another little section of Tombstone to explore.
Something I think you can see too is that really it is. It's a casket propped open. Oh, is there anything in there?
Okay, so I heard Bunny start screaming, "Oh no, let's go figure out what she's oh noing." There's a parasol.
He's kind of in there backwards.
Why? How? Why?
Yeah, scary, scary. Woo!
I love your glass.
Thank you.
Okay, we've made the decision to go into the Longhorn restaurant, which is perfect timing because I am so hungry. Is this the entrance? So this restaurant has a very extensive menu and it's so cute. But both of us decided to get the special. What did we get? It's the pork belly tacos, which I'm very excited about.
So excited.
And then Bunny got a margarita, and I am trying to decide if I want to try one of their signature Tombstone beers or get myself a margarita too.
Are you gonna do beer tasting? Because that would be cool. Because I don't drink beer, but like it'd be interesting to see your feedback on it. Because I mean, I think it'd be interesting.
Maybe, maybe. All right, check it out. Got me the Miner's beer. Miner's Mild English Mild Ale. No idea what it is. But I was in the mood for beer. Meanwhile, Bunny got the green iguana margarita, which actually sounds really good. And if I got a margarita, that's the one I would have gotten too. But look at how green that is.
It's like the Grinch.
It's like the Grinch. Ooh. Oh, it's kind of dark. It's definitely very malty. It's pretty malty. It's delicious.
Ooh, excited. It's not Taco Tuesday, but it might as well be.
So Bunny and I got the same thing. Again, these are pork belly tacos with some pico de gallo, and I don't even know what sauce on it, but it is so fantastic. I've never thought about doing pork belly tacos. Bunny doesn't like tomatoes, so she didn't get pico de gallo, which I think is a mistake on her part, whatever. But this is the best thing I've ever eaten. She's dancing. Just like me, I dance when I am very excited about the food I ate. What do you think? Oh, yeah.
You're good.
Yeah.
So good. And I can't believe you've never done pork belly on tacos before.
Well, I've done pork belly on other things.
Pork belly tacos for the win.
For the win.
Oh, I'm going to be so happy.
We're walking around to check something out. One last bit. We just finished lunch and both of us have slight food comas. Definitely food comas, and we're ready to go back and take a nap. We were gonna do a little admin work when we get back, but I think naps.
I think we still have to do the admin work and then just call it maybe a night early.
Probably an early night, yeah. It looks like it filled in a bit more. We've got neighbors. Ow.
Still kind of the island though, so, you know, I think we're fine.
Yeah.
Back to our simple dirt lot. So I think the nice thing about this place is that, like, because we don't usually sit for very long and we don't really pop out like extra things other than maybe a solar panel here or there.
Yeah.
It works out really well. You know, I guess if you need showers and stuff like that, you probably would need to stay at one of the other RV places.
Probably.
But, like, this is just dry camping, but
yeah,
this is really good for us. Because
yeah,
this is like good for our fast-paced movement.
It is. We don't need anything more than the dry
I
campingness.
just wish, the only thing that I do wish that they had was I wish that they had actual trash cans.
Yeah.
These barrels are not actual trash cans.
I thought they were trash cans. They're just barrels.
But that's okay because we can dump our trash when we go get our gas because, you know, it doesn't require an extra trip to town to do that or anything.
No.
I mean, we're so close.
Yeah.
And we showered before we got here, so we'll shower after we leave.
Exactly.
Yeah, low maintenance.
Low maintenance. Hello.
Would you drink more if your mom put down the camera? He's like, no, I'm done. I'm hiding. Oh, okay.
And there he goes. Good morning. So we're about to hit the road to our next destination. On the way, Bunny is heating up some McMuffins in her Road Pro so that we have breakfast. Bunny also has a freezer where she keeps stuff that she made back at base camp, I think, right?
Yes.
And apparently we're gonna have some pulled pork for dinner later. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and maybe one day you'll come visit Tombstone too. And also, this dirt lot we stayed in is... What was I saying? Oh, right. This dirt lot that we stayed in for the last 2 nights has been pretty wonderful, honestly. It's very basic. It's just like a dirt lot with like dry camping, but for $10 a night, when you just need a place to just park for the night, it's perfect. So, Bunny's just staring at me like, hurry this up, we gotta get going. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Okay, Transformers, let's roll out.
Shake your booty. Oh.
Shake my cider.
Parasol? Parasol? Umbrella thing? Ouch! Ow! Oh no, it's falling apart. Boop. Why is that wet?
Up and down, up and down.
That
up and down.
That looks weird. Wet! I want that shot.